Here are a variety of breadboard experiment boards used in this lab. Most breadboards with all these little holes in them are designed so that usually a group of 5 holes are connected across this way, this way, this way, and so forth. And then the ones along the side are all connected together so you have a common ground and a common positive side. This one has 2 sets. So again, usually the holes are connected this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, and these are independent from this side. See this groove here? I'll show you later how to put an integrated circuit on here. And the nice thing about these is each little terminal is a quick release, so you can push the part in and then it'll grip it. And there's contacts in there. So anything that's connected onto this row now will be connected